Alright, I just got this Dr. Prepare 200 watt portable power station. Hold on, their Bob's out. Alright, I'm gonna do a quick box opening for our Dr. Prepare 200 watt portable power station. This is going to stay in the back of the truck with us. This helps kind of power some of our devices. Let's see. I like that it's pretty light so far. Now this is just 200 watts, so it's pretty small, but we don't really intend on camping much in this. This is more for taking breaks while we're traveling, while we're sitting at the beach, sitting at the park, that sort of thing. Let's just have a quick look at it. Perfect size here. There we go. Here's the cord she comes with. Alright, so like I said, this is the Dr. Prepare 200 watt portable power station, and this is meant for us to be able to travel a little bit easier and keep some of our things charged. What we've done here with our 2018 Tundra with a cap on it, we're currently working on making a space to take care of our son Braden, who has special needs. If you don't follow the channel already, this is going to be kind of one of our setups to help us travel more. See some of the things I've done already. Make it a little bit easier for him to travel. A little mount for his iPad, a fan. Just keep some of like his medical supplies in here so far. We've got a lot of stuff coming and a lot of things we're going to be doing, but here's our newest little addition. This will help us keep like his iPad charged, keep a fan running. We're looking at getting a little portable refrigerator that we could run back here too if we need help keep some of his medications cold. But we'll test this thing out and see how we like it. Okay, we just done a quick test with the Dr. Prepare portable power station. I just hooked up one of our little fans and an iPad to it, and it done great so far. So I want to make sure to get it to full charge before I do anything else with it. But I love the size, I love how portable this thing is going to be. I'll probably just keep it up in the cab with us when we're not using it back here. Here's a quick look at the truck if you guys wanted to see. A little light stalled up here. This is just a little like mechanics light that's portable, magnetic, just battery powered. So, but this is what we've done so far. Kind of put some of our patches up here, places that we're going to go, or that we've been, and we'll put up more as we go. But thank you guys for watching. There it goes.